Hey internet, are you learning how to draw and you just don't know where to begin? Here's a quick still life you can do. Go to the grocery store and pick up an apple. Look for something with a bit of character. Get something asymmetrical and make sure there's a stem on top. If there's a sticker on there too, that's alright. Next, place the apple 3 feet ahead of you. Now that it's placed, no touching. Also, stay put. Now, draw the apple. Really pay attention to the curves of the apple and what is visible from where you are sitting. Really stare this apple down and interrogate its edges. Where were you last night? Zalabite checks out. Draw what you see, not what you think the apple should look like. If you're not watching the apple while you're drawing, like looking up every few seconds to verify your structure is correct, then you're drawing too much from memory, and you don't have the skills yet to do that. It takes a very long time for professional artists to gain the skill to draw completely imaginary objects and ideas. I can guarantee all of those same artists started learning how to draw through still life, and this is the sort of practice that they used. This is all about training that relationship with your pencil to your paper, and that doesn't just come out of nowhere. You need to hone these skills. And so I recommend trying this a couple times, maybe with a couple different apples, and then send me your best one. Take a picture of it and head over to Reddit. Send it to me and I'll give you a little critique and a little follow-up homework to go with it. Keep it loose. It's okay to be sketchy. Chicken scratch is just fine. We are not trying to be professional artists here. We're just trying to hone our skills a bit. And just like that, this is a sketch practice, so be quick. If you like this challenge, get subscribed for more to come.